Tired of your phone dying midday? The Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger is your ultimate solution to staying powered up, no matter where you are. This incredible power bank packs a massive 20,000 mAh, enough to charge your iPhone over 6 times, or keep multiple devices going for an entire weekend trip. Imagine not worrying about finding an outlet on long flights, camping trips, or busy workdays. That's the freedom this long-lasting portable charger offers. But it's not just about capacity. Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology intelligently identifies your device, delivering the fastest possible charge safely and efficiently. This means your gadgets get juiced up quickly without damage, making it one of the best electronics 2025 for smart charging. And with dual USB ports, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing with a friend or powering your phone and tablet at the same time. Anker is renowned for its premium quality and reliability, and the PowerCore 20,000 mAh is no exception, offering a robust and surprisingly compact design for its immense power. If you're looking to buy the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh, I've linked it directly on Amazon in the description below, so you can easily grab this travel essential. Stop settling for low battery anxiety. This Anker portable charger is a game changer for anyone needing reliable, on-the-go power for their electronics. I highly recommend the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh. It's an absolute must-have for peace of mind and endless power in 2025. Don't miss out.